Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, last working day of the week, Friday, January 20th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, what's the news of today? Well, I didn't mention, but this one will be a special one. This one, Tectonic with 4 stars, because this will be my 1000th Tectonic puzzle. Yeah, I've already collected 999 tectonics, and this will be my 1000th. So celebration for the milestone. Alright, let me continue with Sudoku Light. Oh, come on, tripod. Okay, let me zoom this. Sudoku Light number 5821. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for Sudoku Light with 27 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in addition, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 4 in this column, the 4 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, there are only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 1. Come on, 3. We have a 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next door, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so in the last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 1 1 1 1 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7. Cannot continue with the 7. How about the number 6666 6666. Come on. This is 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 7, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in this row. No 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6, 6. Okay. 1, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. We have a 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so no row below. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this third column, so no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. Okay. We have a pair, the 9 and the 6 in this column, first column. The 9 in one of those 2 boxes and the 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 9 and 6, 9 and 6. Alright, so now we have 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 8 and a 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 9, 2, 5. Okay, 2, 5, 1. So we have a 1 in this first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 1. Then 3 in this column, first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 7, 9, 5. Okay. So let me see. 7. And now 2, 2. 9, 9, 9, 9. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So the row between the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, the 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 9. Alright. 2, 4, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this column, no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 and a 6, we have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright, then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, and look, we have a 4 and a 6 in this row, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 4 and 6. Well, how about I'm thinking 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in this column are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4, 4, okay. We have a pair. The 4 and the 3 in the third row, the 4 and the 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. We have a 3 here in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, talked too much in the beginning, but anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second regular puzzle, the Sudoku Heavy. Until then, bye bye for now.